We're gonna try to get this little tiny motorcycle right into there. Let's see. Wow. It's gonna get the car messed up, so let's take it back out. We'll try another method. So what I suggested is fold the seats down and lay that bad boy flat, and let's see it get right in. Perfect. There you go. Perfect. Came here to get some gas, fill up on gas. These guys are having tea. Things all start touring around everywhere. You gotta fill up all the time before it's there. So what's happening now? The little kid, every day, Allah jira wala pirkhaniya study must sing set sing di na nedi kasira ta ke dadi that's it. So
whether chalana ko
chalana de kama hua
just
ye chalana ke
tada when sa stop him
ye chalana ke
the aap ki wadi
se aap mein wadi thi chala karar mirza chuare bolo
chala percena
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I ain't right fame. You never hear me bitch, nah.
Assalamualaikum, let's sing it. That's bakhair.
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients, believe me. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why.
huh
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still
Can you imagine? I was a tiny little kid, maybe his age, right here. And this is where I grew up. Look at this house. At least 150 years old. Look at the structure on it. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Lutfullah.
What is it?
Lutfullah.
Lutfullah. Did you know that he brought you a tiny little scooter? Remember the scooter he promised you he was going to bring it to you? Remember a
Yes.
long time ago, right? You want to see what it looks
said
like?
to me.
What's that?
He said to me.
He said it to you, but guess what? He finally brought it. Go say thank you to him. Say thank you. Look at that. Do you want to see what it looks like? How I rode your scooter? Yeah? What school? Where did you go to school? How did you learn such perfect English? What's that?
I'm not complete thing.
You're not, but you speak very well, right? You understand what I'm saying? You do understand. How old are you?
I'm trying to learn more.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old?
Yeah.
Wow, you're almost a teenager. 1 year away from being a teenager, which is 13, right? When are you going to be 13? In how many months?
Next year.
Next year? A whole year, right?
In July month.
I hope you enjoy it. Be very careful, okay? Ride it in care. Make sure you wear a helmet. Helmet is very important because this head right here is very important. If you get any kind of injuries on here, it's very bad. Helmets are the most important things when you're riding that scooter, right? You're gonna enjoy it? Can I get a hug? Hug? This man right here, my childhood. He remembers my childhood very, very clearly. And he's my cousin. I grew up in his house, and he remembers me like, how old is he? Let's walk out there. We walk out. Wow, that's a perfect. This was the age that I left this country. This was the age. At 7 years old, I had to escape and go to the neighboring country to Pakistan through the mountains and rivers and all that. And then from there, a year and a half, I was there as a refugee. And then we came straight to you, straight to Brooklyn. That's right, the Brooklyn boys in the house. And بیا به نو خبرې در سره وکړو نو دا کیسه خو دا د خلاصه شوله بله کیسه یا پسته درته وکړو د خدای په امان سلام علیکم